Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your XIAOMI A Pro TV for people with color blindness. So first of all, we have to press the gear button on the remote control to open quick settings menu, then select the gear icon on your screen to go to all settings menu, scroll down to accessibility features, and then here scroll down to color correction option. Now enable using color correction and then select one of the available presets and select the one that shows you the colors correctly. So we can use a grayscale, of course, but that's not exactly it. But so you can use deuteranomaly now in case you have this condition, protanomaly or tritanomaly, and just select the one that suits you the best, and from now on the colors on your TV will be adjusted to your own preferences. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.